Ethereum just rejected a key resistance, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here, and welcome back to another Ethereum analysis. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you can see on Ethereum, we mentioned yesterday that we will possibly be looking at a resistance level around the 1370. The reason for that is obviously because we had multiple wicks over here testing to the high sides, and this was a given factor for a nice resistance level to actually take some profits. We had a nice V-shaped pattern from all the way at the bottom of this wick here at 1278, and now it looks like the V-shape has completed. What's next for Ethereum? Well, currently we can see that we are now seeing some sort of rejection patterns and a bearish engulfing candle breaking below the exponential averages once more. There are two possible situations that Ethereum can play out right now. Number one is we finish this V formation and then a continuation higher to all the way to 1421 and then a rejection. Number two is we actually just look for a rejection right here at 1335, and we see the move to the downside and we complete this sort of mountain pattern. But there is something to know. If we do break this consolidation range, whichever way we break it, whether we go up or we go down, it's going to be an extremely large move. The next support for Ethereum, obviously, as you guys know, is $1,000, as that support was a major support level for holding for quite a while right here. You can see we already tested that support level 3 times. So on the 4th test, I really don't see Ethereum holding that level, and we might actually capitulate from there. But on the positive side for the bulls, as long as we can hold this level right here around the $1,300 mark, we can be looking to make new highs to around the 1421. Ideally, we don't want to break this $1,300 level where a lot of the wicks are, because again, once we break that level, it's pretty simple for Ethereum to just kind of consolidate back down to the 1278 and possibly retest that support once more. Now on the hourly time frame, we can see we have a much better of a bearish case scenario. We can see that we've already broken that exponential moving average, and now we are continuing pushing much lower. So what's going to happen, right? Ideally, from this pattern, we still have a support zone around the 1313 level, so we can look for Ethereum to actually test that level, or maximum test that level around 1325, and then a continuation. If we do break below that level, though, we will be looking at a massive move on Ethereum once more, and probably right back down to that support level and possibly looking for that consolidation. Now, there is something to note, guys. In terms of the RSI, we can see that we are not quite maxed out yet. We did hit that level before right over here, and we actually bounced from that level and right back down to that support. This is a good indication of a consolidation support zone, right? Once you hit the RSI level here, let me zoom in for you guys. So you can see that once you hit the RSI level, Ethereum starts to pretty much retrace, right? So you want to be careful about that too, not to enter a position too early, because ideally on the RSI, we want to be waiting until it's completely maxed out. So right now, there is still room for Ethereum to grow, so don't get faked out with just the RSI indicator. I know a lot of traders start looking at that and saying, okay, well, RSI is getting pretty heavy, so I'm going to enter a short position here. Ideally, this is just a midterm resistance level, right? Once you break that resistance level, you pretty much will be looking at a much larger move. You want to be playing the larger moves, right? This is just consolidation and wicks. You want to be playing that massive move to the upside or that massive move to the downside. That's the one you want to catch, and you won't catch that with, again, trying to catch these small moves, right? Ideally, what you're looking for is once you see a break above to that resistance level and you start to see a pattern like this, that's when you enter a long position. And again, if you enter a short position like this and you start to see that pattern consolidate below, that's when you enter a short position. But in this consolidation range, you can enter smaller positions, and as soon as it hits support, you can bounce, and as soon as it hits resistance, you can bounce, right? You can obviously do that too, but that is a little bit more dangerous, because if you get caught out on the wrong side, then you're going to be playing a massive move. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.